SyVon, that is not mine. What's up, BB gang? It's your girl SyVon, and I am back with another video. Okay guys, as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, I am going to be doing a prank on Javon Bennett. I'm gonna be doing a prank on him. So yeah guys, I am basically going to be doing a condom prank on him. So yeah, I'm finna go get a pack of condoms from Family Dollars or something, and I'm gonna put it somewhere in the car because we gotta go somewhere. We gotta go get food or something. We gotta go somewhere. So I'm finna go and get him, pick him up, but I'm gonna have some condoms in the car somewhere. For the record guys, we do not use condoms, so that's the reason why I'm doing a condom prank on him. And I'm nervous to see his reaction, but I'm also excited to see his reaction. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to basically get probably like a 3-pack of condom. I think it's like they have some with 3 packs in it, 3 condoms in the pack, and I'm basically going to just put it right here in this little I don't know if y'all can see it, but like those little pocket parts in the back of your seat, I'm gonna put it there on the back of my chair because he's gonna get in the passenger seat. I'm gonna leave that bag, that Bath & Body Works bag back here. It got like car freshener in there and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna be like, hey babe, can you pass me that can you look in that Bath & Body Works bag and pass me that car freshener so I can plug it up to the car. So the way I'm gonna do is like, oh well, me and my dude, whatever, we were, you know, doing it back there and it was dark and I just put it in there, but I was rushing to put it in there. I didn't put it all the way in there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in there. Hopefully this prank goes well. Hopefully it goes good. Spam it up in the comment section, team. Shy Money in the comment section. Y'all know we finna get them. We finna get them good. And this is gonna be funny. So yeah guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And let's get straight into this prank video. Alright y'all, so I got the condoms from Family Dollars. This is about the simplest one or whatever. This one, it was like $3.25 or something like that. So I just bought this one, this pack. And yeah, I'm finna, you know, I'm finna do my little thing with the condom. So guys, I got some stuff. This stuff right here, this is my travel size milk of magnesia. Like what I do my makeup with, I put milk of magnesia. So I'm just gonna grab one up out of here. This one is the Skin Elite. Okay guys, so this is the condom. That is so weird. This is the condom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour this stuff in here. Oh y'all, look at that. Ew, that looks so real. Ew, whoa, gosh. Okay, get down there. Get in there. Ew, oh my god, it looks so freaking real, y'all. Should I like put the pack in the little seat part and then put this part on the floor? Oh yes, I'll put it on the floorboard. And then I'm gonna take the wrapper part and I'm gonna just stick it like right there. Boom! Just like that. Right? Right, okay. And then there go the actual condom part right there. So hopefully this shit don't leak in my car. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Team Shy Money in the comment section below. We finna get this prank started, no cap. Let's get it started. We finna go pick him up right now. Alright y'all, so I have made it back to the house. So right now we finna get this little prank started. I'm finna call Javon downstairs, let him know I'm downstairs. I'm waiting on him. The condom is still in the back. It's marinating and all that good old stuff. So yeah guys, I'm kind of nervous, but then I'm kind of like, I need to get my laugh out y'all, because Javon, he be making me laugh. Like his accent and stuff, it just be cracking me up. But yeah, I'm finna call him downstairs now. Y'all gonna hear him. Call him on the car. Turn it down some, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna call him downstairs right now. Oh. Come on, boo.
You here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
All right. All right, guys. So he's coming. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited. Oh, okay, here you come. Y'all see him on the door. Hi, boo.
What are you recording for?
What
are you recording for?
Because you took forever to come on downstairs.
You took forever to come downstairs. You
took forever. I started to blow this horn, but that young man was gonna think I was talking about him. All right, come on, let's get. Huh?
What you got jacket up there for?
Cause we finna go. Here, put that thing on up there.
Why are you recording?
Because we vlogging.
Fine, girl, it's nighttime.
What that mean?
You can't even see yourself.
Yes, you can.
She gonna give me. What I'm supposed to do?
Don't be showing people my stuff. Can I go this way? I wanna go this way. So, babe. Uh-oh.
You was close to that wall, coach.
How you know I'm close to the wall? Huh? Okay.
You recording for your channel or our channel?
It's for us, boo.
What do you mean us? What do you mean us? It's 8:15. You finna record a vlog right now?
Yeah.
What kind of video we doing? What's this?
We're doing a vlog. So I told them we were going to get food. So we're going to go get food. And yeah. Y'all, it's getting dark outside.
Exactly. So I was like, why are you recording right now?
I mean, but you can still see.
Yeah, you can see, but
y'all, is the camera okay? Are y'all okay? Oh yeah, we got that thing. Look at that, look at that.
Yo, if y'all should see how she got this camera up on this damn thing right here.
Yeah, we need it.
Whoop.
Huh? What happened?
That dog almost got hit.
The dog?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't hit that little puppy.
But not for real though. Just going to our channel, you continue the video from your channel or what?
Yeah, it's for mine.
So is this a part of the car haul, whatever you did?
No, this is a part of the vlog I'm doing. So I'm running errands today. Now we're gonna get food.
You're running errands right now?
Yeah.
At 8:07?
No, babe, I ran errands today. Now we're gonna get food. This is the end of my vlog.
Oh. Oh, you gonna show them the food or whatever you do?
Yeah. When we get our food.
Okay.
Okay.
You stayed on this.
What?
Just be recording out of the blue.
Cause y'all, I like vlogs. I wanna do vlogs. Bro, come on with the light, man. How they light changed and our light didn't change yet? But I didn't even put my car vents in. Come on, bro. The light is green.
Your car? Who?
My car vent thingy for the air freshener. Can you get it for me?
Where is that?
It's in that bag, that Bath and Body Works bag. It's right there. Can you get it and hook it up and put it in here? I want the vanilla. No. Yeah, vanilla one.
You didn't show any in your video?
Yeah, I did.
So is this continuing from your video or?
No, this is my vlog. I had already did the car haul.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why I'm your word, I'm just living in it.
Thank you. Can you get my car vent freshener? Oh, that's a big old truck.
Bruh. This?
Baby.
What?
That ain't no car vent freshener. Oh. That is hand sanitizer.
We ain't gonna talk about it, bro. Oh, these?
Yeah.
Where are these supposed to go?
In the little thingy.
In the who?
That little thingy.
Little thingy?
Yeah, that little sparkly thing.
This?
Yeah.
And which one you say?
The vanilla. Give me the vanilla. What the fuck? Oh, I thought that was a fucking rat or something. That little road ready to get hit.
Man, I still ain't got that vanilla, bro. Oh, never mind. Tell us what's right this stuff. Hey, come on, man. What's right this stuff? Hey, you come. What's work this stuff, bro?
You gotta you gotta open that thing up and then peel that thing off of that other thing and then put it in that thing.
Man, you just
What?
it's gonna be the next day. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh,
Next day. Let's do that.
Babe, can you check see my umbrella back there?
Sleep, cuz.
I need to make
yeah,
sure.
Hey, bro,
Man, cause look, Houston weather ain't no till it might start summer right now, and you never know.
I'm not probably in the trunk, bro. I'm not gonna crawl way back in the trunk.
I ain't never stopped at this light before. But it's not in the trunk. I don't even be in the trunk like that.
What are you umbrella for?
I need to make sure it's in the car. We need to have an umbrella at all times.
You serious right now?
I'm dead ass. You gonna check and see if it's in the
Check and see where.
Babe, check and see if it's on the floorboard.
The who?
The floorboard.
The floorboard?
Yes.
Where's the floorboard?
The back seat floorboard. You know what the floorboard is? Babe, what the hell is Wingstop at anyway?
Man, ain't no umbrella back here, bro.
Ain't no umbrella.
Huh?
What the umbrella?
What you asking me to look for?
The umbrella.
What?
This nigga took his seat off. What this car stop? What Wingstop at? I think it's this way. Alright, we're just gonna turn this way. Yeah. Did you see it? Was it back there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's right there. Are we gonna talk about the umbrella?
Huh?
The umbrella.
What's wrong with the umbrella? You said it was back there.
It looked weird though.
What it look like?
Huh?
What it look like?
I don't know. You take a look and tell me.
What?
You take a look and tell me.
How I'm gonna take a look? I'm driving.
Oh, I mean, it's back there, but I seen something else. So, I don't know.
What's something else back there?
Huh?
What's something else back there?
I seen the umbrella.
What else back there?
You been playing with yourself sometimes?
What?
You been playing with yourself last on green though.
Oh, I be playing with myself.
Yeah.
No. Why would I be playing with myself?
What the fuck is a condom back there?
What kind?
This why you got the camera recording?
We vlogging for my channel.
Why is a condom back there?
What? I don't
And then
even.
I actually touched the shit. I ain't trying to pick this. Why is a condom back there?
I don't even have condoms. I ain't never bought condoms.
Babe.
What? Where the Wingstop at? Why are you using my wipes for?
Cause I'm not trying to touch this shit, bro.
Touch what shit?
Babe. Why
Where the
is this
Wingstop
back
at?
here?
Oh!
Why is this back
Oh!
Why is this back here?
Boy, I know you f***ing lying.
And this why you recording, huh?
Woo!
This why you recording?
Boy, no, what is you talking about? Did he just slap me with a goddamn... But how you gonna use a condom and slap me with your...
Why is this back here?
Boy, oh, you just wait till I stop this goddamn car.
Where is he going?
I don't fucking know, but we gonna go somewhere.
So I'm just gonna assume you was playing with yourself, right?
What is you talking about?
I ain't trying to... Babe, what is this?
Why you put a condom in my car?
Look, might think people I'm
Mine to nothing. Mine to you nothing.
Babe, why you got a condom over here?
Why
babe?
did you put a condom in my car, Javine? Why you gonna sit your little dirty condom
What you
right
mean?
there?
Don't try to put this on me, bro. Don't try to put this on me,
Get
bro.
your little nasty
This is-
condom.
Yo, you slapping. Yo.
Why you wanna start this in
the
Paris?
camera? Where you have the camera on?
Because we're vlogging for my channel. I told you that I'm ending
Man,
my
we ain't
day.
never started no vlog or no freaking 8
For
o'clock
my
in the night
channel,
time.
not your channel. My channel.
And why is the condom back there? And where the hell is Wingstop? We ain't going to Wingstop. You already passed Wingstop.
Did I? I asked you where it was at. You weren't even listening to me.
All right, babe. I'm trying not to assume worse. Why you got a condom in here, bro?
That is not my condom. I don't use condoms. I don't use condoms, Javon. We don't use condoms. What I need a condom for?
So why is it in there then for?
I don't know. You had it. You just put that in there when you rush back there to spray my stuff. You gonna put that back there and then you gonna blame it on me.
You hear what you said we don't use condoms. Why would I put a condom back there? Make it make sense.
You make it make sense.
No, you make it make sense. Cause I'm about to slap the glasses behind your head. I'm not even laughing, bro. Why is it? I'm just going. So, is it that you was playing with yourself, or you got some other nigga up in this motherfucker, bro?
What other nigga?
You was playing with yourself?
No.
No, be honest. You was
what
playing
I
with
need to play with myself for?
You was playing with yourself?
No. No. No.
Yeah. You have a dildo or something?
No.
So you put a condom on a dildo or something?
What? No, that's your condom. Javon, that is not mine.
This ain't mine, bro. Stop playing. This is not mine.
Jesus Christ.
Boy,
you get that shit.
Where is he going? Where is he going? Where is he going? Hey, holy shit, bro. Where is he going? Where you eating for? Are you a condominium? I mean a condominium. Well, that's a whole cream in that shit, bro. You know, we gotta do condominium. Yo, stop.
Babe, get your ass back in the car. Got these people looking at us like we crazy. Babe, I'm not getting out of this car after you. Yo, look at this boy. Look at him. Javon. Damn, I gotta go chase that nigga. All right. Let's do some. All right, let's go get him. Ooh, y'all, we in a little daycare parking lot place. He's smacking me with the damn condom. Y'all, he took off. Y'all, he is gone. Where is he going? Babe, get in this car. Javon, look.
You still recording, bro?
This is what people do on movies. We don't do this in real life now, goddamn it. Where you?
I'm finna tell you, bro.
Get in this car. But it was a prank. Where you? I know he reversed on me. I know you. I came back. It was just a prank, baby. Y'all, let me go. Oh, shit. Let me go find my husband, y'all. Can I turn around right here? This is probably illegal as fuck. Why he got me doing all this shit? I don't do this shit. Where did he go? Y'all. Did he go inside the stove? Where did he go? People get snatched out here. Let me call him. Let me park and call him. Cause y'all, I don't see him. Y'all, he literally took off on my ass. Where did he go?
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
Hey, well, you better set one up, damn it.
Huh?
Y'all think he walked to Wingstop? Cause I think Wingstop is like right over there.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail
What?
box
I
that
know you fucking. Let me reverse if I do me. Y'all, he really took out. I'm gonna throw this condom in the trash, cause yeah, that's just nasty. Smacking me with a damn condom. Come on, y'all, now go on about your business now. Go on. And here come now the Jeep wanna move.
Hello?
Boy, where you at?
What?
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 Where are you?
I'm walking home.
I know you lying, boy.
Why you calling my phone for?
Where you at? Man, it was a prank. Get back in this car. Where you at?
Bro, I'm walking home. I'm good. Don't worry about it. I'm good.
You is not walking home.
Alright. We're gonna see.
Where you at?
I'm good. Don't worry about it. I'm good.
You better get to this car.
Man, I ain't worried about you, bro. You better go call your dildo nigga or whatever you supposed
Boy, it was a prank, babe. It was a fake condom.
Huh?
It was a prank.
Oh shit. I'm chilling though, I ain't care.
But where you at?
You on me, cuz. Don't worry where I'm at.
Alright, I'm finna go to the Pearland Police Department.
And I,
Shit, what the fuck do with me? What the fuck do with me?
Babe, where you at?
Right here by, the cake place.
What cake? I know you fucking lying. What cake place?
The cake place by Smoothie King.
What? Cake place by Smoothie King. What the fuck is? You know what? You know, goddamn, got me driving all over Pearland, looking for your behind. How did you walk all the way? Who told you to walk all the way over there? I don't even know if I can come this way like that. I don't think I can even come this way. Lord Jesus, I'm finna get hit. I'm finna get hit, Jesus. Where? This make look. You know what? You know what? Goddamn. Huh? Get your ass in. Look at him. Look at this buffoon. Get in the car. Get in the car. What you gotta say for yourself?
Why you sit recording? I went for a walk, bro.
Why are you trying to walk over here?
Tell me why I try to walk over here.
This ain't no walking neighborhood.
I'm chilling, bro. Don't worry about me, bro.
Chilling. You chilling.
Why you still recording?
Chilling while I'm busting U's and hitting turns and
Why
stuff.
you still recording for?
Because we gotta end the video. It was a prank, babe. It was a prank. You know I don't use no damn condoms.
I don't know. Y'all niggas crazy.
Who's y'all niggas? I don't like condoms. So how you think my prank was? Smacked me in the damn eye. Yeah, I don't know if y'all caught it, but I smacked him in the lip with the condom. I hope I got it. Yeah. You're crazy, dude.
Me?
Yeah.
I would have walked home.
No, you wouldn't.
Shit. I did a whole 360 on your ass, though. You didn't know where I was at?
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Cause you thought it was something about the gas station, huh?
No.
You didn't know I was at? Ain't no
Except got
dumbass.
me over here busting you and stuff. I could have got a ticket up in what's the name? It was a prank, babe.
I heard you.
Okay, why you looking like that?
Bro, we got me too so excited.
No, I need those. Stop. Come kiss.
Bro, ain't that be down? I'm coming.
Come
No,
kiss.
no, you seen that? And last time I come by you.
Come kiss.
No.
Whatever, I'm still getting my kiss. Alright guys, if y'all think this prank was good and funny, make sure y'all comment down in the comment section, Team Shy Money. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. But you got something to say? Alright guys, see y'all next video. Peace.